Hello and welcome to Project Sheet for Excel. With this app, you can create a project schedule with work breakdown and Gantt chart in a spreadsheet. In this video, I will show you what you can do with the free version. We open the pane from the ribbon and continue with the free version without signing in. Tasks are created by entering task descriptions. The WBS code is generated automatically and updated when a summary task is inserted. The subtasks are selected and then indented from the pane. Start and finish dates are inserted from the pane and become visible in the Gantt chart. We copy a summary task with its subtasks and give it a new name. WBS codes are updated automatically. A summary task can be collapsed to give a better emphasis on the rest or to focus on the summary tasks. Shifting tasks in time is done by selecting them first. Their earliest start date is shown in the pane where we shift it for a week. The other selected tasks are shifted accordingly. Progress of the project is tracked by entering a percentage to each task. The progress of summary tasks is calculated from its subtasks. Progress is indicated in the Gantt chart with a bar inside the taskbar. The timescale of the Gantt chart can be scrolled by changing its start date under the Settings tab. Progress of tasks can be indicated by colors to warn for delay. Thank you for watching this demo video. More videos are available in the Project Sheet for Excel playlist in the video description.